and sisters, I am eco. Environment and the proper food.
Removing that acid condition, the divine self. It's not what the divine self, it divides you from yourself.
So potentially, if you could live till 100,000 years old, you could have over 100,000 children.
I believe every word that he said there because I was saying, oh, he's talking about me because I never said that.
Before we all go, alright, just want to say a big thank you to Sol, Phil, Raquel, Ava, Simisola, Jake, you say it, yeah? Back there, guys. Good stuff, alright? You will enjoy it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mucus is the cause of all disease. This was the question posed to me in court, that why were we making these claims and why were we so successful and what was going on? Is that disease was never identified to us. If it was identified, then the question would not be asked now, and then we all of us that are sick would be enjoying health. Well, disease is the accumulation of mucus, breaking down the mucous membrane, and that mucus covering groups of cells in your body. Like, for instance, we have the mucous membrane in the body to protect us from the onslaught of aerobic bacteria, as they are called. But this mucous membrane is for protection. But now we eat acid foods, and the acid food breaks down the mucous membrane and does cause it to flow with the blood, covering other groups of cells now, groups of cells that belongs to organs, depriving them of oxygen. If the mucus goes to your nostrils, they call it sinusitis. If the mucus goes to your bronchial tubes, it's bronchitis. If the mucus goes to the lungs, it's pneumonia. So we have 3 different diseases caused by what? Mucus. So what about when the mucus goes to the prostate glands? It's prostatitis. What about when the mucus goes to the uterus of the woman? That's endometriosis or vaginal discharge or yeast infection. So we have this mucus situation now that is caused by an inadequate diet. Mucus is the underlying cause for all disease.
Please subscribe to our monthly subscription page where you will have exclusive access to never seen before recipe videos, past and present workshops, podcasts, and much, much more. Content will be uploaded to the members only page every 2 weeks, accessible only to those who have subscribed to the People's Package. Subscribe and become a member today at eattolivenotodie.com.